Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Bong Tours, where every ride tells a story. So today we are with India's most awaiting mid-segment ADV bikes, the all-new BMW A450 GS. And this GS is a legacy of the GS family of the BMW Motorrad. The A450 GS is light, agile and yet built for tough terrains. So let's start our video. BMW has designed this bike in such a way that one look and you know it's a GS. That iconic front beak design flowing into the tank gives this bike a signature adventure finish. Aggressive LED headlight with X-shaped DRL gives a modern and sharp look. Slim and athletic rear section that makes the bike look light even standing still. Sharp body panels, aerodynamic structure, bold graphics that feel ready to cut through wind and wilderness. Built on turbulent steel frame, GS gives that perfect adventure-ready strength, rigidness and confidence. Lightweight yet strong chassis keeps the bike agile without compromising durability, making it one of the most balanced GS builds ever. Heart that beats for adventure, a 420cc parallel twin-cylinder liquid-cooled engine producing up to 48 HP at 8,750 RPM and 48 Nm torque at 6,750 RPM. Compact yet full of character. A unique 135-degree crank which gives it a soulful exhaust note yet smooth power delivery. A450 GS also gets ERC, which means Easy Ride Clutch, which automatically engages around 2700 RPM, allowing riders to start and stop without manually operating clutch lever. But if you are in uphill or downhill, even in first gear, the bike will roll down or forward as the clutch is not engaged under 2700 RPM. Despite of the cons of the ERC, this technology will help you a lot while riding through heavy traffic. The bike is in neutral and I will not pull in the clutch to put it in first gear. I will put it in first gear just like this. The bike is in first gear now and I am not holding the clutch, yet the bike won't get stalled or move forward. Under 2700 RPM, this bike won't go forward. Just like that. So this is how it works. So basically, this technology will allow riders to go through bumper to bumper traffic easily without getting a wrist pain. This new engine feels perfectly balanced, smooth, refined, powerful and exciting. The GS will make you feel real performance isn't about how fast you go, it's about how alive you feel while getting there. The GS is built to handle chaos, whether it's sudden traffic, slippery roads or loose gravel. At front, it gets 310 mm single disc pair with Brembo 4-piston calipers for strong, progressive and precise braking. At rear, 240 mm disc with single piston caliper designed for balanced support for stability and control. This setup is standard across all variants, dual channel ABS with switchable rear ABS. The Trophy Edition gets adventure foot pegs which are adjustable, and because of the Brembo calipers, the braking bite feels very strong and aggressive. This is where the GS truly feels like a premium BMW with ABS Pro cornering ABS, dynamic brake control DBC prevents accidental throttle input during panic braking, dynamic brake light alerts vehicles behind you during hard braking, adding an extra layer of safety on highways. Perfectly built for every kind of roads, this is where the GS truly shows its intelligence. Not too big, not too small, just the right. Seat height is 845 mm, which can be lowered or can be increased up to 865 mm and lowered to 825 mm. Tall enough for commanding ADV stands, yet accessible for everyday riders. Curb body weight is 178 kgs, light for an adventure bike, making it easy to control in traffic and off-roads. Wheelbase is 1465 mm, gives you stability on highways and confidence on rough terrains. Fuel tank capacity is 14 liters, built for long rides without consistently worrying about fuel stops. A perfect ADV proportion, muscular yet manageable. The A450 GS is built to absorb every obstacle on its way. At front, it gets 43 mm golden USD KYB forks with 180 mm travel, designed to be rigid for better stability. At rear, KYB monoshock mounted on an aluminium swing arm with 180 mm of travel. So I am 5'3" and I will show you how comfortable I am with this bike. So as you can see, I am tiptoeing a little, but because of the excellent weight distribution, I can manage this bike easily in traffic, in rough roads. BMW has given 19-inch aluminum front wheel with 100 by 90 section tubeless tires and 17-inch aluminum rear wheel with 130 by 80 section tubeless tires. BMW has given an option for spoke wheels also, but you have to get it from BMW authorized showroom as an add-on accessory. The F450 is packed with advanced rider aids and connectivity features. 6.5-inch TFT display which shows essential information like speed, RPM, fuel, gear indicator, etc. Gets standby navigation, media playback via BMW Motorrad Connect app, multi-controller, a signature rotary dial on the left handlebar for a safety initiative menu navigator without taking your hands off the grips. Riding modes, heated grips as standard for comfortable winter rides. These technologies makes the GS unique in its segment and enhanced riders' comfort for overall performance. Overall, the F450 GS feels unique, exclusive and adventure ready. The parallel twin-cylinder engine provides great power and torque just when you need it. Switches, lever and build quality feels premium. Braking bite is solid and adjustable suspension setup is perfect for trails and highway cruising. Useful technologies will help riders to enhance ride experience and performance, even though I think BMW should find a solution for the problem regarding the ERC. Even though the F450 GS has been manufactured by TVS Automobile, the service and spare parts will be on the higher side to maintain this brand value. Let us know what are your thoughts on the baby GS and are you planning to buy it or not. The price of the base variant is 4,70,000, exclusive variant is 4,90,000 and top variant will cost you around 5,30,000. So I hope you like the review video of the all new F450 GS and I would like to thank BMW Motorrad Kolkata for giving us this opportunity to test ride this newly launched bike and make our review video to help our viewers to understand about this bike more. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel